Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we're going to be going over more replacement parts. So for this you're going to need your issue 59, you're going to need kit 48, and then we're going to open up the book here. Not doing anything with the lifeboats yet. So more replacement vents. So let's get this open. And that's the thing that was some of those light fixtures were attached to. We ain't going over those at this time. That's windows, so nope, not yet. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we're going over the vents first. This stuff will be going over when we get to that stage. But right now we're not at that stage. So we just need the vents. And their first vent is this one. This is the vent that you received with hachette and agora. And then let me grab the ship. And the vents up here. So let me set that vent right here. Watch out for my little person I stuck on the deck. If I can. Alright. Now let me just bring the ship up here. Oh, thing's so big. Here is the new vent compared to the old vent. Right over here where you see the person standing there. But that's the old compared to the new. Put that down there. There's the new vent. Alright, set this over there. So that's that one going over. Then the next vent that we're going over is this one right here. I think it's, yeah, that one. So this is the kit vent that you received with hachette and agora. And then over here, let's see if I can turn it up on its side a bit and try to position this vent somewhere. Maybe in front of it right here. It's a bit tall. And it fell over. There we go. So right here is the old versus the new. And then let me grab that. And I'll turn this around. That way you can see the back. Just get a good grip on this. Okay. And then we'll put the old back down here. That's what that one looks like. And then we're going to go over the last vent, which is this one right here. This is the one that you received with the kit that Agora and Hachette gave you. And then over here is the new piece. You can see it right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to set it in front. And you can see it right there. What it looks like. And then I'm going to grab this and turn it around. Oh, you heavy ship. Oh, okay. Here's the other side. You can see it's flat on that side. Put this back in front. But there you go. That's what it looks like. And that right there is all of the vents taken care of up to that point. And davits, we're not doing anything with the davits yet. And that's pretty much it. So that's going to basically do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all are doing safe during these troublesome times. And you all have a blessed one, and when I come back, we'll be going over some more Titanic upgrades. But until then, goodbye.